This is the video of startup procedure. So I can do this one-handed. That's how it starts up.